What's up people, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be discussing how you should be using hashtags to get maximum exposure and for you to blow up on Instagram. In this series I'm going over the fundamentals and the basics of everything to do with Instagram, so if that interests you then consider smashing that subscribe button and let's get straight to the video. So in today's video we're going to be going over the best way for you to use hashtags for you to gain followers organically. No bots, no mess, no nothing, just organic follower growth using hashtags. I highly recommend that you guys stick around to the end because I've got some super secret special sauce that I use on all of my theme pages which helps me grow to hundreds and thousands of followers. So stick around to the end and I'm going to give you that little bit of secret sauce. There's three main points that we need to address and they are how many, where and which one. So first of all, how many hashtags should you be using? That is up to 30, but I recommend 15 to 20. But you can use all 30 as long as they're completely relative to your niche. Don't use hashtag love if you're a car page, hashtag Range Rover if you're posting a picture of your food. There's something that I use when I'm growing my Instagram account and it's what I call the ladder method. You use smaller hashtags to give you the ladder to climb into the medium hashtags, which gives you the ladder to climb into the large hashtags, which then hopefully gives you the ladder to climb into the huge hashtag. We're going to need to figure out which hashtags are in each different category: small, medium, large, huge. So we need to figure out which posts fit into each category. First of all, starting with small, which is around a couple of thousand posts. So in order to figure out which hashtags fit into each category, so we're going to jump onto Instagram, we're going to go to the search, we're going to type in something relevant, Range Rovers for this account, Range Rovers tags, and then we're going to go through here and we're going to find, there you go, Range Rovers autobiography. That's got 5.1 thousand posts. That's a small hashtag. So we want to find 3 to 5 small hashtags for us to use. Then we want to find 3 to 5 medium. Now a medium hashtag is anything that has around 100,000 to 500,000 posts. Loads here, Range Rover Velar. So we're going to pick 5 of these that have 100 to 500,000 posts. And then we need to find 5 hashtags that are in the large category. Large category is anything over 500,000 to 1 million posts. Put them into your notepad and get them ready to be used in all posts that have something to do with a Range Rover in this example. And then lastly, we want to chuck some of these huge hashtags. There's one at the top, Range Rover 3.7 million. Basically how the ladder method works is when you start to rank in your small hashtags, they're the one with a couple of thousand, you're going to be at the top of that. When you start to rank in that and your post gets loads of engagement, you're going to start to rank in the medium category. What ranking means is when someone searches that hashtag, you're going to be ranked right at the top and people are going to see your image first. And when you start to rank in that, that's going to massively increase your engagement in that post, and then you're going to start to rank in the large category. That's when you're going to see huge growth, and there's a small possibility that you might rank on the huge category, which is, 3.7 million. When your posts are getting massive amounts of engagement, they stop using hashtags. When you start getting a couple of thousand likes, the hashtags aren't used pretty much at all, and you start to just get pushed out organically by Instagram to the people that the Instagram algorithm thinks are going to like that post. But we start off with our hashtags because that's how we get the ball rolling. So a massive question that a lot of people ask is, where do I put my hashtag? Whether you put it in the caption or you put it in the comment section, it doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter at all. The only thing that matters is the way your Instagram looks, and if you want to hide the hashtags and you don't want people to see them, chuck them in the comments. But if you don't really care, I don't really care. I put them in the caption. I just put a few dots so they get pushed down and you have to press read more to see it. It's your choice. It won't make any difference. So just quickly, I want to show you guys a little bit of proof that this strategy does actually work. We're going to go, does anyone else hate the new layout of Instagram? If you do, smash a like and let me know in the comment section so I know I'm not alone, because I absolutely hate. Okay, so we're going to go on here, and from here we're going to click View Insights, slide up, and from here you can see exactly what I was talking about. So we've got hashtags here, we've got a reach of 13,000 from hashtags alone, and then basically once that happens, the snowball effect happens and you get all of your impressions from other places. So from the home, from the explore, and from other is just everything on Instagram, people sharing it, all of that stuff. So you see the majority comes from other and things that aren't hashtags, but the hashtags are important because they get the ball rolling. That post ended up having 14,000 likes and I actually got 1,000 follows from that one post alone. So this works. So now it's time for the little sprinkling of secret sauce. And that is something that I like to do on all of my posts, or when I'm trying something a little bit new on my account, is what you want to do is you want to use hashtags that have something to do with the post, but are slightly different. So I'll use that account again for the example. I'll always post Range Rovers, but I know that people who like a G-Wagon, they might also like it. Within the ladder strategy, I might just use a few hashtags that are about the G-Wagon. I'll just use the same strategy. I'll find hashtags that have something to do with the G-Wagon. And then if my posts start blowing up, they're going to start blowing up on the feeds of people who are into G-Wagons, and they may very well be into Range Rovers, and then come over, and that's new followers for me. And you can apply this to basically any niche. It's a great way if you're a business or a small business that you can sort of catch on to trends of other businesses, and people who are already following them will come over to you and maybe purchase something from you. So yeah, it's a great little sprinkling of secret sauce. It will 100% work. I use it on all of my accounts, so give it a go and let me know in the comment section below. Right, that's it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching it all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. If you like this sort of content, smash the subscribe button. And if you did, I'll see you in the next video.